It's so funny that they do the same thing every time. That's what they've always done. That's what I was saying, yeah. The beginning of summer is good. Towards the end, they get tired of it.
Okay, watch out.
I don't know, they want that kid in there. They don't want your butt in it. Push her behind, push her behind. You didn't want to play ball? Is that no for you playing with him? Huh? Layla's in the sandbox close to the water. Yeah, it has sand in it. Gosh, there's a lot of people over there. Oh, yep, it's a cone. It's just really, really tiny. Gosh.
There's sand in it.
That's fine. Mama, look at it. They're gonna bump heads. Be careful, don't bump heads. Naked. They got a little gift.
They have clothes.
No, I know. I was saying Emmy, Layla, and Emmy.
I want to open it.
Go to the table.
Mommy,
They still don't have clothes on.
Look
Look at a hairbrush. I can show your face.
Look at her bag. Mommy, look at her bag.
Oh, that's cute. Is it like a radio or cell phone thing on the outside?
Even more stuff though. These are, I don't know what these are for.
Are they roller skates?
There's a haircut and there's some earrings.
Cute. Don't lose it on the couch.
Oh, it's like a little, a stand, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, hold the stickers.
Oh, yeah. Cute.
Trying to make this part move.
Oh, that's not
Hey.
roller skates.
What
That's
is that?
ice skates.
I told
Oh,
you
wait.
that
No,
for
it's
the
not.
ice.
Let me see.
Yes, I am.
Oh, no. It's rollerblades. I thought it was ice skates. It's rollerblades.
No, they're not.
Yeah,
Why
okay.
does
You can pretend they're ice skates. It's fine.
What does ice skates look like then?
They're like metal, sharp things.
This is it.
Sharp. Yeah, aren't they sharp?
Ain't a shark when somebody poops when they go to fart.
I didn't say sharp. I said sharp.
Yeah, she said with the P. You shut yourself.
I said sharp.
Shark.
Sharp. Sharp. How do you say it?
No, these are supposed to be ice skates. I can do.
Lord. Okay, whatever your little imagination wants it to be.
Look, her outfit literally looks like an ice.
She's a professional roller skater. So cute. This one is the... Which one is this one? It doesn't have a name. Ace. Ace LOL.
Close your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Don't rub your face. Come here, Layla. Don't get in the sand. Look up.
There's something funny
What'd you do?
that
What'd you do?
Turn it off.
Bella, the water's rough.
Careful, water's rough.
Come back over here.
Bella, don't drink any water. Keep your mouth shut. Bella, if it comes from here.
I know, it hit my... Bella, one little bite. Someone's living in there. Yeah.
Got only $1. Yeah, I've already made $1.
Feel like a little SpongeBob with the clean.
From the beach, I'm cooking chicken. I'm trying a new recipe. I'm doing orange chicken glaze with vegetable fried rice and broccoli. The beach was fun. It felt really good. It started to get really windy, but it's not supposed to rain until tomorrow. But I did get sun. I did put sunscreen on, but I did get a little bit of color. I don't mind getting color on my face and stuff, but I try not to get it on my face. And then my legs got some color, which I wanted some color on my legs.
up here, preparation has been made for this morning. Our pastors.
This is Pentecost.
I'm doing Sunday dinner. I try to do something on Sundays, but the kids requested tacos, so I've got yellow rice going. I have taco meat for them. I'm doing shrimp tacos. Brad probably will have a shrimp taco. The tortillas, I do the 0 carb. I usually do spinach, but they didn't have it. Just some sauce options, some lime. I just did a quick pico de gallo, avocado, cheeses. Dropped in the other one. I like this kind of cheese, and also like there's a Spanish cheese that they use like in the Mexican restaurants. And lettuce. Ladies, I do have some baby spinach and a regular lettuce. I've got some shredded lettuce to make life easier already. And I usually do black beans, but I'm just gonna heat up some peas to go with this rice. If you haven't tried it, don't knock it, but if you do peas and this yellow rice together, or black beans and this yellow rice together, it is so good. But that is our dinner. I got some girls some apple juice because Emmy was requesting it. I normally don't really do apple juice. I know it says no sugar added, but it's still, I know it's not the best for you and it has like sugar in it, so I usually like to do no sugar whatsoever juices and stuff like that, but she requested it. And then because they do get sugar elsewhere, I'm not like 0 sugar for my kids, so they got some sugar cookies. So obviously I'm not sugar free for my kids. If you are, that's great, that's amazing. It's just not something I do at this time. But she wanted some juice, and then I got some sugar-free cream Dr. Pepper. It just sounded good, and I haven't had any type of soda, sugar-free soda or anything in months, and I just really wanted one, so don't judge me. Do groceries yet, and forgive me. I don't know how people wear their hair like this. I feel ridiculous. I just have like a clip in it, but I didn't like all the way clip it. But I did get a little sun yesterday. Brad is burnt, but I didn't really get burnt, but I did get some color. So that was fun, but we didn't go to the splash pad like I said because we had a bad storm pop up out of nowhere. So after church, we went and had lunch and brought it, we got lunch and brought it home and ate it. And then we weren't able, Bella's best friend was gonna come over, and then we were all gonna go to the splash pad beside the beach, but the storm popped out of nowhere, and now it's like nice and sunny. So I love a good thunderstorm though, as long as there's no tornadoes and no damage or anything. Our lights did flicker on and off the whole time, but they didn't like stay off. But I love a nice thunderstorm, but I just hate that it messed up our plans. And then I wanted to go get my nails done today, and I completely forgot about that as well until they were literally 5 minutes and they were closing. So I'll have to go next week. So I just cut them all down because they were starting to hurt, so I cut them down. My feet still look pretty good. You can't see, but my toes are still painted and look pretty good, but my nails definitely need an upgrade. But yeah, we're just gonna eat dinner. I don't know if you guys remember, but my dermal piercing that I got out, it still has like a little indentation. I do kind of miss that, weirdly. Who misses a piercing? But yeah, so we're just chilling at home, gonna eat dinner. And that's about it for today's Sunday. Hope everyone had a good Sunday today. Church was amazing like always. I'm so glad we ended up going. We haven't been, the kids were sick, like the kids were getting sick back to back each weekend. Then I was sick, so I'm on my 4th day, but I'm like healing and feeling pretty good. I didn't have a fever, I haven't thrown up in 24 hours, so hopefully I didn't get anyone sick. I did try to stay away from everyone as much as possible just in case, but I don't feel like I'm contagious, but just to make sure, you know, I don't want to give it to anyone. The church was amazing. I'm glad we went. We got up a little bit late than we normally did, but we rushed through breakfast and just kind of threw on something to get ready. And I'm really glad that we made that decision. That was good. I needed that. So just go to church as you are. It doesn't matter. So. Whoa, huh? There's a bee in the pool. Oh no.
The baby one. I like the one.
Go, 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 go. I got this from the dollar store. It was like $13 just to give them something else different besides the pool to play with. I'm not going to let it run long because of course it's going to take a lot of water. So we're just going to let it go for a little bit. Let them play for a little bit longer. The sun is really hot today.
Mommy, you
Huh? Keep feeling ants on me. They just cut the grass. What are you doing? Their trampoline was brand new and then we had a bad windstorm literally the second day of having it up and it broke it. On our way to gymnastics. Mm-hmm. On our way to gymnastics.
Hopefully, if everything works out in there, oh, mine's like, that's fine again. So she's like, well, what's funny is she can base on a lot. It'll be easy on your mom. She's like,
So, I mean, like this
Wow.
week she's at, I love this photography for school. So we have she's right here, like she was over in at this school. I mean, at like when school year starts.
right. Oh, I'm sorry. No, what the heck?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join our family as we say every video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you for clicking on our videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting our family. It means so much to us and we hope you decide to subscribe and join our family if you are new here.
water park.
We love you guys so much.
And it is the water park.
Goodbye.